McPherson from the agency, and welcome to 15 Oxford Road in Yeppoon. Situated on a 718 metre square allotment with huge double side access to the high clearance shed. Let's head on in and check it out. The exceptionally appointed galley style kitchen really is the hub of the home. I love the stone bench tops and the 5-burner gas oven, and the way it flows effortlessly through to the walk-in butler's pantry and laundry. With so many extras throughout, including raised ceilings, my favourite thing about the property has to be the super functional floor plan, with so many different living spaces to offer and the effortless connectivity from the outdoors to the inn. How great is this generous master suite? Not only does it have access to the backyard with its own little patio, I love the dual vanity and shower in the ensuite, and not to mention the huge walk-in robe. With space for the boat and caravan, how's about this huge high clearance shed? So guys, there you have it for 15 Oxford Road in Yeppoon. Situated in the ever popular Central Park estate, if you'd like to own your piece of paradise here on the Capricorn coast, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.